So I just received this cute little box, which I completely forgot was on its way. It's from Z.R.A Jewellery, and she's a lovely lady on Instagram who makes earrings and necklaces, and all sorts of little bits and pieces using glitter in resin. And I asked her to make me a cute little piece for when I go to the London show. And I just received this box, and just look at these. How beautiful are they? They are literally the cutest little pair of earrings ever. This is our baby shower mix, special mix. They are so cute. And then this one is the Rainbow Super Mix, Hollow Rainbow Super Mix. Wow, they're super disco-y. They just come in this cute little box. But there they are. Thank you so much, hon. They are absolutely beautiful. Love them. I'll definitely choose a few new glitters and send them across to you. But thank you so much. I absolutely love them. Thank you.